Oh, what kind of animal?
Oh, what kind of animal?
Perfect. I love barbecuing.
I love barbecuing.
So with the word love, you go from love to love.
Yeah,
Yeah. I love barbecuing.
I love barbecuing.
Yeah, and it's weird the way the rhythm goes because it doesn't really make any sense. Because in German, die machen Barbecue,
Yeah,
barbecue. So it's kind of like they're trying to say English words, or a lot of Germany has adopted English words into the German language, which is quite bizarre now. When they're saying barbecuing, it's like, oh, I'm using an English word right now. And so when they say it, barbecuing, I love barbecuing. It doesn't, the sound, the rhythm isn't quite right because it's not, I don't know how to explain it, but I love barbecuing.
I love barbecuing.
Nice, nice.